Good afternoon, Trader Tim from eMiniMind here. It's Tuesday, the 28th of May, doing a market analysis video. And an important move in the ES today in that we broke the low from a couple of weeks ago, that being sort of the major swing low in this triangle that we've been in. And the reason that's important, if I first draw up the triangle, you can see connecting the lower highs along with the higher lows, then you get to this apex or this midpoint, and we had the gap down last week on the 23rd, and then we were able to finally come down and break the swing low. And that's significant because if anyone of you have been trading the last couple of weeks, it's been pretty blah. We've had a lot of gaps, and sort of this 2800 level to 2880 has just been very range bound, and even intraday, just not a lot of opportunities that I've been seeing across the board. So if we can get out of this range area, we should be able to see some better opportunities, some more trend days, some more just continuation on some of the trends that can occur intraday. Just because the market is in a daily downtrend doesn't mean that you can only take shorts intraday. So the target on this larger 50% is down here at 2766s, and then following that bigger retracement, we've got these smaller daily retracements happening. And so I'd just be watching, if I draw from swing high down to swing low, that one traded. Now we have the second one trading. We draw up a third one if we make it to its target. So I would just be watching if one of those fails, like its 61.8 breaks, if we bounce and break the 61.8, then there's a pretty good chance that we'll see follow through to the upside. But we're not that far away from the swing low down here. Now, we didn't close at a new low. We just dipped into new lows and kind of, got to bounce off that 2800. So I am a little bit cautious watching for like a hammer formation, maybe if we come down, tag the negative 23 and then rally. And if we do, get kind of a bullish candle here, really want to make sure, draw up that third retracement and watch that 61.8 for a break. Because if the series of retracements breaks, then it's likely we'll go back up and retest the 2878. The other swing lows that are to the left, we've got this guy down here at 89.50, and then we have to come all the way down to a 27.27. So it's going to be important how we trade around this 2800, and I always watch closely as we're breaking lows or breaking highs. Today in the afternoon, we got a decent sell-off, and then and just kind of rallied right into the actual close. But most of the morning and even through lunch was pretty blah. And so tomorrow will be a significant day. If we just get a couple of inside bars, then there's good chance that we could continue lower. If we break lows tomorrow, and then form a big body candle to the downside and sell off right to 2766s, then we can draw the next bigger retracement. But if we just sell off a little bit and break lows, like break 2800 by a point or two and then rally, we might be right back where we've been in this consolidation period. At least we've broken out of the triangle, but it's nice when we can get follow through and complete to the negative 23% target. Otherwise, we just have to leave this same drawing up here until it breaks its 61.8 or hits its negative 23. So that's what I'm watching this week. It's still treading pretty lightly. Haven't been taking a lot of trades in these last couple of weeks. I was gone for a couple of those days, but even most of the days that I've been here, I just haven't seen a whole lot of opportunities, and that's kind of been the sentiment across the board with some other traders that I've talked to. So be careful out there, and if you do have questions or if you want to check out the live trading room, you can do that over at eminimind.com. Thanks and have a great one.